What is up, Dan fam? And in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of the easiest routes to go from literally nothing to making $200 per day on ClickBank. And I'm even gonna show you proof in just a few seconds. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you literally how to go from a brand new ClickBank account to making a few $100s every single day with a very simple and easy to follow strategy. So here it is inside of one of my ClickBank accounts. And as you can see, Get Proven, this is the offer that we were promoting, and we made $475.09 in here. Now, if I go back over here and go by tracking ID, and this is gonna be pretty important, is that it says email opt-in, right? Email opt-in got us these 5 sales at $475 in total. And so why this is important is because the strategy that I'm about to outline for you here today is actually very easy to follow. This is the funnel that I'm using, and I would just want to quickly show you right over here, opt-in for health offer. This is the opt-in page that we're using. And so it's called, well, I put it on Cosmic Healthy, but it says advertorial at the top. Medical doctor sent into disbelief with this new fat loss breakthrough. Click here to watch a video. Somebody opts in, and then what happens is they get this email sequence. So they get the 7-second ritual melts 62 pounds of fat. They get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 emails. They get one immediately, 24 hours after, 48 hours, 72 hours, 96 hours, and 120 hours. So now we have a page that's been created, right? So this page right over here, and we have our little email sequence that's been created as well. And you're probably wondering to yourself, okay, Dan, where did you get the emails? How long did it take to build the page? All of that. So the very first thing I'm gonna answer is, where did I get the emails? So if we head over to ClickBank and we just go to the marketplace, what you'll notice about the marketplace is that if you go to the health and fitness, which I did, if I go to proven, which is exactly what I'm promoting, and then I scroll to the bottom and then just click no thanks, yada yada. So I went to the tools page and I just clicked on email swipes, and then they provide you emails that you can literally download. If you click there, it says emails, and now you have emails that you can input. And if you look, it says 7-second ritual melts 62 pounds of fat. And if you take a look at the first email, it's 7-second ritual melts 62 pounds of fat. It's the same exact email. I just put my links in, my affiliate links in, the way that you're supposed to put your links in so it doesn't hit spam. So speaking about links, what I use for links and tracking all of my emails is rebrandly.com. So if I log into Rebrandly, you'll be able to see all of these links that I use to go ahead and track everything in regards to what we're doing, through the emails and exactly, how we're getting our traffic, which is very, very, very important, all right? So now that we have a funnel, now that we have the emails in the funnel, how exactly do we get it onto a website? How exactly does that work? So it's pretty simple. And what I did was I registered cosmichealthy.com and I added in the ClickFunnels little plugin that they have for WordPress. And so what I did was I created a variation of this page, and I created 2 different variations of one page. One of the pages has an email opt-in, the other one is just straight to the offer. So if we just click on opt-in and we click on bridge page, you'll notice that it's the same thing, right? So you'll notice that this one and this one are the same exact thing. So if you click here to watch a video on this page, it takes them right to the offer. Right? So it goes right to the resurge offer. However, if they click on this particular button on this page, it asks them for their email address. Now, the reason I did this is because this is where all the magic happens. All the email sequences that get sent out, this is legitimately where all of our money will be made from. So now that we have this page right over here, or a page like this, what I did was I went over to udemy.com. And if you're interested in Udemy, there's a link down below as well. If you use that link, you do get $5 off your first order, which again, is an affiliate link of mine, but it also gives you $5 off. So I figured, hey, why not give it to you guys since it gives you $5 off when just going to udemy.com doesn't. So I was like, brain blast, this will work. So regardless, I have Udemy right here. So what Udemy does is actually pretty cool. They allow you to go ahead and basically buy email slots from individuals who have email lists in Make Money Online or the health and fitness or Forex, whatever it is, an email list that is in a particular niche, you're able to tap into. All you have to do is provide them with a link and they'll send the traffic to your opt-in page. And in our case, this is our opt-in page right over here. So Udemy, as you can tell, I went ahead and used individuals such as Geoff, Sally, and King. Now, I tested Geoff twice, good traffic, tested Sally once, good traffic. Tested King once, good traffic. Now I've been able to go ahead and through the reporting inside of ClickBank, have been able to see that King and Geoff were the ones who were able to go ahead and provide me with the sales that we generated that you saw in the beginning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and order again from King, and we're gonna send the traffic, just so I can show you how easy this is, we're gonna send traffic again to the same page that I sent it to before, which is 7-Step Ritual. So to find sellers in your niche, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click Find Sellers, and then you're gonna go ahead and just sort the price, and this is per click, so we can do like 40 cents. Got sales, which again, you can sort by how many buyers that they've had have gotten sales. So maybe you want 50%, so that means for every 1 out of 2 people that have purchased email solo blasts from them, 1 out of every 2 have made sales. So we're gonna just go with 10%. Niche is health. Ratings, we don't need to do anything, and then we could sort by ratings, sales, price, etc. So then you can find somebody right over here who fits the criteria and message them and say, hey, listen, we're looking to go ahead and order X amount of clicks. Do you have X clicks in X niche? And they're gonna confirm or deny with you. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go back to King right over here, and it's gonna open up his profile. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna just order 200 visitors from him. Now the other thing I like to do is activating the Prime filter. Now, why do I like activating the Prime filter? Well, I've noticed that for an extra 3 cents per click, we're able to get higher quality, more buyer traffic. So I have 200 visitors right over here, and I want the actual traffic to start on whichever date that I choose, which is the 6th of October. And so I'm gonna leave it to this link, and you can go ahead and do add text or link only, and I'm gonna leave it to link only. And I'm just gonna click add to cart, and when it's adding to cart right over here, you'll see it in the cart, right? And then you could just go ahead and add a card, or you can go ahead and use PayPal. So I'm just gonna click my card, and so I'm confirming the payment right now, and now all King has to do is accept the order, which he will accept the order. Now let's recap exactly what I just did. So the first thing that I went ahead and did was I found an offer on ClickBank. Now I didn't talk about finding an offer, but if you want the best offers, they're in the health and fitness category. So I just picked Proven as the offer, and I created this little landing page right over here that says, you know, medical doctor sent into disbelief with this new fat loss breakthrough. I had 3 little bullets, and then I just had a button that says, you know, click here to watch this video. And so what I did was I put that particular little page on its own website called cosmichealthy.com. And from cosmichealthy.com, what I did was I went to Udemy and I grabbed somebody who can send me health and fitness related traffic to the page where I'm capturing emails. And so just so you can see, if I click on contacts right over here, it'll actually go ahead and show you how many people have gone ahead and registered for this particular email list. And as you can see, we have a decent amount of people that have, you know, maybe a few hundred. As you can see, they're just coming in every single hour, and they just keep getting emails over and over and over again. And we keep emailing them from this little opt-in automation that we've set up. Now, if you find this super easy and you actually found this pretty impressive, how simple this strategy is, what I wanna do is if we go ahead and hit 1,500 likes on this video, and please smash the like button because it'll really help us out in the YouTube algorithm and help individuals like yourself who are looking to make real income online. Not just one of these videos and not video series like how to make $200 listening to music. We all know that doesn't work. So if you really wanna see something impressive, check this out. So this particular funnel that I ran, you can see it's very simple. I actually went ahead and created this little free supplier checklist, right? And here's the thing about this funnel. The email series made me over $100,000 in profit promoting an affiliate offer. But here's the thing about this, is that I used Facebook ads to capture leads, and the leads were anywhere from $2 to $3 each lead. And here's the thing about this, is that the product I was promoting was $3,000. And for every single sale that I made, I got $1,500, and if it was a payment plan, I ended up getting $2,000 over the course of 3-4 months. So I made over $100,000 profit promoting this. And all I did was give away a free list as my hook to get people into my email list. And the thing about this little list that I created, well, quite frankly, I had a virtual assistant for literally $8. I had him go and find actual USA supplying dropship suppliers and create a little list, add it to Google Sheets, and then individuals would be able to go ahead and take a look at all of these different suppliers on here as a view only. So if you want to learn exactly how I ran this funnel and the creatives, the angle, and everything I did to successfully run this particular offer, then what I want you to do is smash that like button for me right now. Let's hit a goal of 1,500 likes. Make sure you share this on social media, share this with your friends. The faster we get there, the faster I'll release that case study. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you get notified when we release new videos. And as a matter of fact, just so you know, all we're gonna be focusing on this channel now is strictly case studies. That means my sole purpose for everything I release every single week is to show you how we're making money. Whether that's with Forex, lead generation, e-commerce, etc. I'm gonna show you how we're making money, and I'm gonna show you if it's successful or not successful, and it's only gonna be case studies from here on out to help you actually make real money. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dan De Silva. It's been a pleasure, and I'm so excited to be back. It is going to be rather fun. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you very soon.